Uh-oh, the GOAT is back with premium content. Oh, you didn't know? Click that bell, tune in.
Trenches, well, you need to spin the block with the homie Ray Give TV, the hardest working clubhouse YouTuber in the game. Hey, yo, Ray, let's get to the content.
It's Ray Give TV.
Nothing. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with you.
I'm looking at a necklace lately. The norm is not norm anymore, right?
Right?
Yeah, that shit ain't in no. Let's see, I'm gonna let that nigga know he can get mad about it if you want. Nigga, the fact that you got 14 months in the state of New York for a switch that makes it a mandated 3 to 5 for a regular pistol, niggas is looking at you funny. And you obligated to put that work up. That's a fact.
Oh, he next on the list.
That's a fact. You obligated. Everybody know how New York is about them gun laws. It helps you gain weight.
I mean, for people that need to gain weight, that's a good snack to eat.
Criminal history. 2013, Durk was adjudicated juvenile delinquent in Illinois after being charged with robbery out of getting discharged firearm. 2014, Durk was adjudicated a juvenile delinquent, charged with robbery, theft, aggravated battery. The underlying conduct involved incident in which Durk struck another person in the face during a robbery, causing the victim to crash his motorbike to a tree. Durk also stole the victim's cell phone. 2017, Durk was convicted. A resisting peace officer misdemeanor. That's some bullshit. 2019, Durk was convicted in Illinois as a criminal trespass misdemeanor. Some bullshit. 22-2, Durk was convicted in Illinois as unlawful possession of a firearm, a misdemeanor, and sentenced to 1 day of incarceration. Something going crazy in this shit. In that case, he was a passenger in the car which evaded police officers trying to stop it for a traffic infraction. The officers ended their pursuit. The car collided with another vehicle. Durk was arrested after fleeing, and police officers found 2 firearms in the car. Nigga, there's 2 guns in the car. How this nigga get a day in jail with a misdemeanor? Evading the police, accident, 2 guns in the car.
Oh no, his goose is cooked. His goose is cooked.
Yeah, in 2023, Durk was convicted in California of evading a peace officer felony. He was sentenced to 1 day in custody and 2 years probation. Durk's term of probation is set to expire April 2025. So that means this gun case in New York violates your probation out here in California. In addition to the multiple juvenile adjudications and criminal convictions described above, Durk has been arrested over 20 separate occasions, beginning at age 11. All right. These arrests stem from a vast array of criminal conduct. Nigga, you are on probation when you catch. Let me see. And you caught this on probation. Additional Illinois, he was charged with possession of a loaded machine gun. Hold on, bro. Hold up, my nigga. Hold up. In Illinois, in 2023, he was charged with possession of a loaded machine gun, theft of stolen goods exceeding $10,000 but not more than $100,000, and possession of a firearm with a defaced serial number. Nigga, this is feds. Addendum to pre-sentence investigation report dated October 30th, 2024. The case is pending. Oh no. Oh no. What's this nigga name? Osama.
Lil Zay Osama.
Zay Osama.
Zay Osama. There are There also are 2 active warrants for Duke's arrest, one in Georgia in connection with battery case and one in Wisconsin in connection with a firearm case. Nigga, what the we got going on here?
He gave
Yeah, he got
information. That's what it sounded like. He gave information.
Bro, this
what?
nigga got probation in California, open motherfucking gun case for a machine gun in Illinois, and another joint in Wisconsin.
Yeah, the only way I see him, ain't no getting out of there.
And
He
you
got a whole
got
bunch of charges.
14 months in New York, nigga, for a switch?
Yeah, nah.
No.
Fed case too. And his points put him at 27 months, which is crazy. And that's in the work right there. So he should have 27 to 21 to 30 months just off the guideline alone.
Oh, man. Well, we're going to have to wake old Duke up. Let me take him to the Instagram and let him know we will be going through your shit, Mr. Duke. Laughing. That was Troy Ave, actually, and he said, he called me names like diabolical.
Why would he call you that?
I don't know. He called me names. And he read, I said, why you calling me diabolical? So he says, let me read this to you, Wack. Lil Zay Osama, the Xposers are looking into you. And sadly to say, it's not looking good. You are currently in the hands of the research team. At that point, he started to laugh uncontrollably. And you had open cases, probation, and time is well below the mandatory minimum. Stay tuned. I said, well, the research team is looking into him. He said, this shit sounds like some T-Mobile shit, bro. This shit is scared the shit out of me. He said, then I slide it, and I see you really got to work.
All this shit is gonna disappear. How about that?
I know this. SKG say she on her way to LA right now.
That bitch ain't gonna do shit.
Okay.
I'm sick of you and SKG. Y'all
Me?
don't go somewhere disappeared.
Huh? What you mean me?
It's right, give
What I got
TV.
to do with it?
You and her
What?
disappeared.
Hold on, no, I stop acting like that wasn't your homegirl, nigga.
That was my nigga. That was my nigga. Until that said,
Is
and
that
she
nigga name?
and she know it. And she know it.
How you spell her first name?
Karma, her first name is Bitcha.
That's the last name, right?
Bitcha. That's the last name, right?
Karma's a
Karma,
bitch.
her last name is Hoe.
God, mama, what you had to drink last night?